Combining sentences. Go. We use go to list two or more actions or give actual information in the other part of the sentence. Secondly, it means the same as and or and then in English. And then last one, it can be added to the stems of verbs and adjectives. 때문에, 기 때문에. Thirdly, we use this pattern to express the reason of the situation. The next one is corresponds to because in English. We add 때문에 after nouns, 기 때문에 after verbs and adjectives. Are also. We use are also to introduce the cause of something. It means the same as because of in English. We add also to the stem ending in a vowel a or o. Otherwise, also he added. For verbs ending in 하다, 해서 이다, 이어서. In dialogue, we use 이라서. 거나. We use 거나 to give a different possibility. It corresponds to or in English. It can be added to the stems of verbs or adjective, but in case of nouns, 나 is added. 웃는데. We use this pattern to contrast two clauses. It corresponds to but in English. We add 는데 to an adjective ending in a vowel, whereas 은데 is added to an adjective ending in a consonant. We use 는데 for present tense verbs, past tense verbs 있다 or 없다. 지만. Firstly, we use 지만 to contrast two clauses of the sentence. The second one is correspond to but in English. And the last one is can be added to the stems of verbs or adjective. And in case of the past tense, as 없지만 is added. 으니까. We use 으니까 to express the reason of something. It means the same as so or because in English. We add 니까 to the verb stem ending in a vowel. In a consonant, 으니까 is used.
김치는 맵. 맛있어요. 한국 사람들은 대부분 일상생활 속에서 자연스럽게 유교의 가르침을 지키기 주교를 종교라고 생각하지 않는 경우가 많다. 한국 여자들은 꽃을 좋아하. 꽃을 선물하세요.
방은 크지 않은 침대는 3개 있어요. 최근 기술이 발달하면서 휴대전화로 통화하는 것 외에도 문자 메시지를 보내 인터넷을 사용할 수도 있다. 예전에는 설빔으로 색이 곱 화려한 색동옷을 입혔다. 이동거리가 멀수록 더 많은 요금이 부과. 주의할 필요가 있다.
Thank you so much.